The success story of Chick-fil-A, a journey of quality and consistency. Chick-fil-A's foundation was built upon a meticulously tested recipe. Restaurateur Truett Cathy innovated a quicker method for cooking boneless chicken using a pressure cooker and peanut oil. This perfected recipe is securely stored and remains a closely guarded secret, inaccessible to employees. Although many attempt to replicate it through various recipe sites, the official version has never been released. The iconic chicken sandwich, featuring a breaded chicken breast and 2 pickles on a buttered, toasted bun, has remained unchanged since its inception in 1967. Commitment to quality. Chick-fil-A prides itself on its unwavering commitment to high-quality products. The company's name, a play on chicken filet with an added capital A, signifies top-tier quality. Unlike other fast food chains that diversify their menu to attract customers, Chick-fil-A maintains a streamlined menu focused on chicken sandwiches. This simplicity allows customers to easily identify and choose their desired items. The brand emphasizes consistency in service, ensuring hot sandwiches, fresh salads, and delicious products, which resonates well with customers. Customer satisfaction. Since the American Customer Satisfaction Index was established in 2015, Chick-fil-A has consistently ranked at the top. Despite slower service and drive-through times, the quality of service remains a significant draw for customers. Many Chick-fil-A locations have adopted upstream ordering, where associates take orders from customers while they wait in line. This method, which was implemented before the pandemic, has proven essential during times when dining rooms are closed, making drive-thrus the primary sales channel. Franchise model. Chick-fil-A employs a unique franchise model to ensure quality across its locations. Unlike other chains where franchisees bear most of the startup costs, Chick-fil-A owns all its locations, selecting and building each one. The company seeks dedicated operators rather than financial investors looking to expand their portfolios. Prospective operators undergo a rigorous interview process, likened to the difficulty of gaining admission to Harvard's MBA program, which can take between 12 to 24 months. Rigorous selection process. Annually, Chick-fil-A receives over 8,000 franchise applications, but selects only about 130 new operators, a lower acceptance rate than Stanford. The company looks for individuals skilled in developing people and managing large teams. Selected operators need only a $10,000 initial investment, significantly lower than the $45,000 franchise fee and additional $1.3 to $2.3 million required for a McDonald's franchise. This hands-on approach has been pivotal to Chick-fil-A's success, with each location generating higher revenues compared to competitors. Hands-on approach. This hands-on franchise model has allowed Chick-fil-A to expand from its southeastern roots to a nationwide presence, with around 2,600 locations across the U.S., Canada, and soon, Puerto Rico. The company is opening approximately 100 new stores annually and is exploring international expansion. Despite this growth, Chick-fil-A maintains a slower expansion rate compared to chains like Chipotle, which opens about 200 restaurants per year. Values and culture. Chick-fil-A's values are evident in its daily operations across all locations. Rooted in Judeo-Christian principles, the company fosters a culture of humility and generosity. Employees are encouraged to attend prayer services if they choose, reflecting the founder Truett Cathy's Christian faith. This faith also underpins the decision to close on Sundays, allowing employees to rest and attend church. The anticipation of Chick-fil-A's reopening on Monday is believed to drive sales throughout the week. Private ownership. Chick-fil-A has remained privately owned, with no plans to go public. The company's conservative growth strategy negates the need for external investors. This approach aligns with Cathy's values, emphasizing the importance of treating employees and customers with respect and warmth. Employees are trained to greet customers with a smile and a friendly demeanor, enhancing the overall customer experience. Controversies and charitable giving. Chick-fil-A's values have occasionally sparked controversy, particularly when its foundation donated to conservative groups perceived as anti-gay. Recently, the foundation has focused its charitable efforts on homelessness, hunger, and education. The company emphasizes serving all customers, regardless of background. A quote from Truett Cathy at the Atlanta headquarters encapsulates the corporate purpose: to glorify God by being faithful stewards and positively influencing everyone who interacts with Chick-fil-A. The company believes it serves a higher purpose beyond just selling chicken sandwiches.
As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.